Hello, everybody. Florida Investor here. I know it has been a while. I have been on a hiatus. I haven't posted really anything regarding investing. But I haven't forgot about you guys. I appreciate you guys that have subscribed to my channel. I wanted to bring to your attention one stock that it has taken a beating in the past week. I would say the last 3 months to be more specific, but especially in the last week. They reported earnings last week, and as you guys can see, they're down 2% for the day, recuperating nicely. If we look at the week, down 16%, month 15%, but in the 3 months, 39%. So that's $120 downside for the past 3 months. Now, personally, I'm not worried at all. Oracle is a tech giant. They have a really big budget. They do generate billions of dollars in revenue. They actually beat earnings as well last week, and the stock still took a plunge. But if you look in here, let me show you guys. The estimated EPS was $1.50, and you guys can see that it literally blew out of the water the actual earnings to $2.26 per share, and they still fell drastically. And I've mentioned this before in my videos. Unfortunately, the stock market sometimes don't make no sense. It honestly doesn't. You get companies that miss expectations, but maybe during the call, the CEO will say something, or somebody in their board of directors will say something that the market liked and was looking for it, and it made the stock just blow up basically. Now you have companies like Oracle that report good earnings, which in my opinion are more important than anything you can say, because those are actual factual revenue that you're bringing in, and then the stock just plunges, like literally, like it plummets for no reason. So wanted to bring this to you guys' attention because obviously Oracle, like I mentioned before, is a tech giant. I think it's a good buying opportunity in my opinion, especially when you look at the 52-week low of 118 is sitting at 180, but then the 52-week high is 345. So obviously it's very close to the 52-week low, making it an attractive buying opportunity. How I have mentioned before, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But just like I've done before, I like to bring to your attention stocks that are good buying opportunities, that are they got negative news or positive news. But let's see what the Motley Fool says. If it is a good buying opportunity for 2026, basically Oracle stock skyrocketed after the company delivered its fiscal 2026 first quarter report in early September, but basically have dropped for the last 3 months, as you guys know. And that a lot has to do with artificial intelligence. A lot of stocks are blowing up because artificial intelligence. You got Meta, you got Google, Microsoft, everybody's jumping on the boat. AMD, Nvidia, etc. So all these companies are overinflated because of the AI race. Any news about artificial intelligence is making the stock blow up. Well, that's basically what is happening, and also can go the other way around, as basically what happened with Oracle. Oracle. So let's keep reading. Investors jump on board Oracle stock in September after the company saw a huge surge in remaining performance obligations, a metric that measures the remaining value of its already signed contracts with customers. These are generally non-cancelable. So data centers needs to build, but investors have become more nervous recently about how much the company will have to spend and how much debt it will need to take out to build out that infrastructure. So that for you guys that don't know, artificial intelligence is something that is obviously everywhere now, but it costs a lot of money to build a data center to support it. Not only the infrastructure is expensive, but also the amount of energy that takes to power artificial intelligence is insane. So in other words, electricity, it's just gonna go through the roof. And that's basically what is also, if you guys personally probably have seen a raise in your electric bill, and that's because the general, countrywide demand for electricity has definitely gone up. Now there are some companies that I will talk later in other videos that are very conscious about that, and they are definitely giving options to produce energy and be able to power these data centers with water, for example, like hydrogen. And I think and this is just my opinion, but I believe the next chapter is going to be potentially nuclear energy. That's what is my opinion is going to be the next chapter. So we'll find out how the future, or what the future brings. But I think that's going to be a pretty good solution. But again, do your own research, guys. But look at Oracle. Look at the fundamentals. I think it's a good buying opportunity. It's going to continue to produce money no matter what, and it's going to continue to increase revenue. But appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and I'm going to try to be a little bit more regular. I know it has been a while since I haven't posted anything, but I just been pretty busy and focused on other projects and other things. But nevertheless, guys, appreciate it. Have a good day.